Nourish Bowl with homemade no-cook miso gravy recipe. Yield, 4 servings. Prep time, 10 minutes. Cook time, 30 minutes. Total time, 40 minutes. Ingredients, the Nourish Bowl. 3 cups 750 milliliters water. 1 cup 200 grams mung beans soaked overnight optional or sub for more lentils. 1 cup 200 grams brown lentils soaked overnight soaking optional but recommended. 1 cup 175 grams quinoa. 1 head broccoli broken into bite-sized pieces. 3 cloves garlic thinly sliced. Half a tablespoon 8 grams onion powder. 1 teaspoon 5 grams garlic powder, black pepper to taste. 2 carrots shredded. 2 beets shredded. Ingredients, the miso gravy. 3 tablespoons 45 milliliters miso paste. 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons 90 milliliters water. 2 tablespoons 15 grams nutritional yeast. 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters soy sauce substitute with tamari if gluten-free or nama shoyu if raw. Half a teaspoon rice vinegar. 3 tablespoons 45 milliliters tahini sesame seed butter, black pepper to taste. Directions. 1. Preheat oven to 350 F 175 C. 2. In a medium-sized pot on high heat, bring water, mung beans and lentils to a boil, then partially cover and reduce to a simmer for 15 minutes. 3. While this is simmering, toss the broccoli, sliced garlic, onion powder, garlic powder and pepper to coat and spread onto a cookie sheet. Place in the oven to cook for approximately 15 minutes until lightly crispy and bright green in color, stirring once after approximately 10 minutes to ensure the broccoli is cooked evenly. 4. Add quinoa to the pot with the legumes and bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer while partially covered for an additional 15 minutes. 5. While the quinoa legume mixture is simmering, and while the broccoli is cooking in the oven, shred the carrots and beets and set aside. Then prepare the miso gravy by placing all ingredients in a blender on high until well combined. 6. When the quinoa legumes have soaked all the water, taste test to ensure it is al dente. If not, add more water. 7. When both this and the broccoli is cooked, put together your dragon bowl. Add the quinoa legume base to a bowl, top with the roasted broccoli, then add the shredded root vegetables and drizzle on the miso gravy. Nom, nom, nom away. Notes. If you'd like your miso gravy to be thicker, simply add more tahini or less water. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends.